Why you're still broke, even with a good salary. You make $5,000 a month, but you have $200 in your account. Again, your coworker makes the same amount, has $30,000 saved, went on vacation last month, just bought a car, cash. What does he know that you don't? It's not about making more money. You're about to find out why you're trapped. Here's what nobody tells you. There are invisible money leaks in your life right now, draining $500 to $2,000 every single month. And you can't see them because you're looking at the wrong thing. I'm going to show you exactly where your money is disappearing. We're going to plug those leaks in the next 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you the one number that changes everything, that nobody tracks, that keeps people broke their entire lives. Let's go. The real problem. First, let's talk about why budgeting fails. Because it does. 80% of people who start a budget quit within the first month. You know why? Because budgeting tells you what you can't do. Can't buy coffee, can't order food, can't go out. It's punishment. But here's what actually keeps you broke. Lifestyle creep. You got a raise last year, right? $500 more per month. Where is it? It evaporated. New car payment, nicer apartment, more DoorDash because you deserve it. Upgraded phone plan. You're making more than ever and somehow more broke than ever. That's lifestyle creep. Every dollar you earn gets immediately claimed by a slightly better version of your life. Your coworker who has $30,000 saved, he makes the same as you. But when he got that raise, he automated the entire $500 to savings before he could touch it. You automated it to bills. That's the difference between broke and wealthy at the same income. It's not what you make. It's the gap between what you make and what you spend. And most people have no gap. The one number. There's one number you need to know. Right now, pull out your phone, go to your bank app, look at your checking account balance today. Now scroll back exactly 365 days. Look at your balance 1 year ago. What's the difference? If it's less than $5,000, you have a leak. If it's negative, you're drowning. This is the only number that matters. Not your salary, not your budget, your net worth growth rate. How much wealthier are you than last year? Most people never check this. They feel busy with money, paying bills, moving money around, checking balances, but they're running in place. Here's the brutal truth. If your bank account looks the same as it did a year ago, you're broke. Even if you make six figures. Broke isn't about your income, it's about your trajectory. So pause this video right now and check. I'll wait. What'd you get? The real leaks. Now let's find your leaks. These are the 3 places your money is dying and you don't even notice. Leak 1, the convenience tax. You're paying $200 to $400 a month for convenience. DoorDash instead of cooking. Ubers instead of planning ahead. Buying lunch because you didn't prep. Premium subscriptions you barely use. Track this for 1 week. Every time you pay for convenience, write it down. Just awareness will cut this in half. Leak 2, the comparison spiral. Your friends go out, you go. They buy new stuff, you buy new stuff. You're not spending based on your goals, you're spending to keep up. This one's invisible because it feels social, not financial, but it's costing you $300 to $600 a month easily. Here's the fix. You need a spending firewall. Before any purchase over $50, you wait 48 hours. If you still want it and it fits your actual goals, buy it. Most of the time, the urge dies. Leak 3, the debt spiral. Credit card minimum payments feel manageable. $150 a month, no big deal. But you're paying $80 in interest alone. You're running on a treadmill. Here's what that actually costs you. If you have $5,000 in credit card debt at 22% APR, making minimum payments, you'll pay for 15 years and spend $7,000 in interest alone. That's $12,000 total for a $5,000 debt. Stop making minimum payments. Find $50 extra anywhere in your budget. Add it to your minimum. On that same $5,000 debt, you'll pay it off in 3 years and save $4,000 in interest. Same debt, different approach. The system that works. Forget budgeting. I'm going to give you a system that actually works because it requires zero willpower. The 4-account system. Account 1, income. All money lands here. Paycheck, side hustle, everything. Account 2, fixed expenses. Rent, utilities, car, insurance. Calculate your total monthly fixed costs. The second money hits account 1, auto-transfer that exact amount to account 2. These bills auto-pay from here. You never touch it. Account 3, savings. Pay yourself first. Decide your savings goal, 10%, 20%, whatever. Auto-transfer this the second you get paid. Before you see it, before you can spend it, this money is dead to you. Account 4, guilt-free spending. Whatever's left in account 1 after those 2 transfers, that's your spending money. Groceries, fun, whatever. When it's gone, it's gone. Why this works? You're not tracking every coffee. You're not budgeting. You automated the important stuff. Everything else is fair game. I implemented this 18 months ago. I went from $1,200 saved to $31,000 saved. Same salary, same life, different system. The 30-day fix. Here's your challenge. This will fix your money situation in 30 days if you actually do it. Week 1, set up the 4-account system. Even if you start with tiny amounts, structure matters more than size. Week 2, track every single dollar you spend. Not to judge it, just to see it. Use an app, a spreadsheet, whatever. Awareness is step 1. Week 3, find your top 3 leaks. Cut one completely. Reduce the other 2 by 50%. That's your new baseline. Week 4, take everything you freed up and add it to account 3. Lock it down. Do this and in 30 days you'll have clarity. In 90 days you'll have momentum. In a year you'll look back and wonder how you ever lived the old way. But here's the thing. Most people will watch this video, nod along, and change nothing. Don't be most people. Look, you're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because nobody taught you this stuff. Nobody showed you the invisible leaks. Nobody told you that budgeting doesn't work for most people. But now you know. Check your year-over-year balance. Set up the 4-account system. Find your leaks. If this clicked for you, hit subscribe because we're breaking down real money problems every single week. Drop a comment and tell me what your biggest leak is. I read every one.